Oh, it's pretty balanced. Oh, nice.
Here it comes.
Do you want to be looking at anything in the engine bay or anything like that?
Nope.
We gotta start sliding it back.
Yeah, you cleared a bunch of the front, so. Oh, well, yeah. Now it's just coming out at an angle again.
There's a lot of wiring on the top of the trans. I'm trying not to just
watch your face with the tail shaft, because it's gonna...
It's gonna splooge in a second now.
Yeah.
I don't want to pull this off the...
Yeah, that's exactly what's happening, so... let me see if I can... Oh, there it goes. Oh, yeah, there you go. Hey, there we go.
It's free?
Yep, you're free. You're clear on the front. Well, mostly, but you'll have enough room to go way down and then pull it, so... What? Someone just yelled something.
It seems to be going to the right a lot.
Oh, hold on.
Potentially more than I can...
Alright, I'll get back to it. Well, we got it completely lowered. Just got to figure out how to get it out from under the car now. But aside from that, it went very smoothly. So there's now no drivetrain bolted into this car at all. Now it's basically just bolting new parts in. So that's fun. We'll get back to you guys when the trans is out, because I'm going to start cleaning up the new stuff over there, prepping it for the reinstall. It is the 13th, so halfway through the month, basically. Hopefully the reinstall will go quicker and I can get this thing to New England Forest Rally just to attend as a spectator. So I'm gonna get working on this and I'll get back. Do that, yeah, there you go. It's quite a bit later and I've done a couple other things prior to leaving. The clutch master is now bolted on, which of course means that all of this junk is out. And look at that. There, well, you can't see anything. Neat. Where's the light?
I think it's in the footwell still.
Maybe. I can use this light anyways. Yeah, there we go. Look, there's 3 pedals. Look at that. So, that's some good progress. It's a disaster. I was gonna completely clean all the tools up, but haven't gotten that far yet. So, yeah, no drivetrain at all. Just waiting. Now we can start cleaning this stuff up and beginning the reassembly. Thankfully, I didn't need that. Yeah, I guess there's not a whole lot of light here. That's fine though. Engine is next on the list, I think. Oh, here comes the transmission. No, don't put that anywhere near the bottom of the car again. No, it's practically installed again. Yeah. So there's the old transmission. Very big. I still have to, yeah. I still need to figure out. I still need to figure out the wiring situation. I don't know. I think I have to jump pins on this because this is the reverse switch in it. Down there somewhere. And then I have to do something about the sensors. I'm gonna have to swap those sensors over, which means the harness is gonna have to stay. Yeah. Well, that's about it. So next up is just gonna be rebuilding the engine, I think, so that that's ready to go back in, and then installing the transmission and stuff in the car. Yeah, good progress. What do you think, Ben?
That's it.
The faster I get out of your garage, the better.
Yeah, I think after this, now that I'm not afraid of leaving my convertible parked outside, I'm just going to cycle one car at a time in and give it everything at once.
Yeah.
Probably that one's next. took its fenders off and add some metal back on.
Yeah. Yeah, now you can say you've helped with an engine swap, so
Yeah.
be ready for when,
Nice
whenever you
engine
do
push.
something like that. Fun stuff. Not just a swap, like a full-blown rebuild. So that's fun.
Yeah, this is the first engine I've ever like helped actually open.
This may actually be the first one I have taken apart as well. So, learning experience. I think that's gonna do it for tonight. So, until next time, the car is just gonna sit peacefully with no drivetrain. Well, now it's time to work on the heads. We'll need both of these. And 12 and a 10.
One bolt out of this results in...
Well, unfortunately, this is going to have to wait because I don't have the right Torx bit for this. So that'll come afterwards, but for now, cleaning and painting, that's what we're doing. Gonna pressure wash the transmission off and then paint these items with rust reformer. And I'll install the cartboy bushings in that. Just wet this and now we have it soaking in a heavy duty degreaser. Then it'll get sprayed down again. And the transmission will be ready to go in the car. Well, the drivetrain is ready to go back in the car, minus engine, of course. Got the diff painted. This is sort of cleaned off. Just all the big stuff is off anyways. I don't know where I put it, but I also got the, oh yeah, it's over there. Shift linkage is all cleaned up and painted with the upgraded bushings. Got the drive shaft. Axles back there. So all we have to do is go get replacement nuts and bolts, and then all of this can go into the car. And then we have on order the correct Torx bit for this, and a valve spring compressor that actually works. And then this will be done. This part comes off, and I'll be replacing that seal on both of them. And then reassembling the heads, throwing them on the engine. And timing kit, intake manifold, etc. And then back in the car. And all that has to happen in 14 days. What do you think? Is it gonna get done?
That's a lot, but again, I think we have everything. Just
Yeah.
throw it back in. Once the engine work's done, I'll be a little more relaxed.
Yeah, same. Cross member and
Bro,
what?
Saturn.
Ooh.
He's lowered only the muffler and left the car stuck.
Saturn. And the Hyundai. We've made kind of a mess.
There's a lot of ATF on the ground right now.
Yeah, literally ATF is everywhere. Anyways, that's gonna be it for now. Until the next video. RX-7.